I have a bit of a classic today. This is a Commodore Vic 20. Picked this up from Free Geek Twin Cities down in Minneapolis for $35. It works. The keyboard is dirty, but it's a Vic 20, so I'm pretty sure you know the specs, but I think it's 1 megahertz, 6502 or something. I think the Commodore 64 shares almost the same chip, except it's a bit more powerful. It has a joystick port. You got your C64 power, your power switch, keyboard connector, and your CPU. And here's your CPU right over here, the 6502. Then the Vic chip is under there. I'm gonna take it off, but here is the power LED. It's gotta get popped back in there. But yeah, just got a cheap project for 20. It's in surprisingly good shape for being a 40-year-old computer at this point. I just realized that's not keyed. So you can shove it in any way and potentially blow it up. Also a giant capacitor. That's only 16 volts. And then of course, cartridge port, video, something else, tape, and then user port. But it's a pretty good Vic 20, but just wanted to make a classic for you.